Thank you. Askim katok sabi golong good plan minister blong finance na mi lo make misi or se mi askim lo fix na figures na mi karim budget book blong government ikam na. Mi referi minister golong volume 3A public investment program where ananid long department long sampla money ibini go inside where suppose long golong all province na all district. Ananid long 206 04860, you got public infrastructure development program where 220 million. Mipla or member of the parliament been talk right long last year for this year's budget, where all the provinces supposed to kisim one pla 10 million each. Na mi like talk sawe all some time me check long my for me looking all some plenty blood display payment you go out finish. Na people belong ECP like sawe all some number one question. 10 million belum people belum ICP ki stop yet or you play give him lo sample and arbla line enough all people belum ICP ki harim stop suppose minister enough lo talk sabe 10 million belum only go away. Number two, ask him long bien him can same budget book where account 206 058 06010 district infrastructure development program where 480 million sit down where lo look sawe blomi desla money emi suppose lo go lo one district antap na abrusim desla PSIP na DSIP also kisim. So me like ask him also. Me got 6 district inside long ECP province. Desla 5 million lo one district long ECP emi go piniso. You play holy mieto no God please enough you talk sawe na people lo ECP ki can harim. Nothing all narbla district to is no like sawe only kisim desla. Desala 5 million or no gat. Mi talk sawe ken olsem account 206 06412 district infrastructure kina for kina program. 456 million. Total of over 1.1 billion kina where mi sina lo all bucket where stop underneath long look out long minister. Desala kina for kina 456 million. Enough minister talk sawe usai true ikisim inside lo desala parliament. So people all get I can sabe na people blow ECB too can sabe. Osem only got scale blow inside lo hapo no gat because no good nupla budget he come back na ipla by put him same something na giamani people blow ECB na people blow ECB by to giasa lo here na still now 4 more weeks by account close. So me like sabe blow people blow ECB by come or no gat na suppose no gat in a good plan minister I talk sabe why. But you plan on giving people belong ECP or something where you put inside the budget well on them law. Thank you, Mr. Deputy Speaker.
The Honourable Minister for Finance.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Me taking this time law talk thank you, Lord Governor of East Civic. These are appropriation bills that the finance department normally pays to those who are appropriated inside the budget. As such, East Civic provincial government is entitled to receive 10 million. And your government was given 7 million already from my records.
Honourable Minister, resume your seat. We have a point of order from
my point of order is that I think the minister is probably referring to PSIP. I have a full view of all the accounts in my province, from the provincial government all the way through to the PHA. I've got all the figures, and there is no such thing as a 7 million payment out of a warrant, out of a CFC, that would come from the account 04860. I mean, not looking.
Honourable Governor,
them can give me copy.
Your point of order is in order. I think that's the minister's response. I'll allow him to complete his answer.
Thank you, Deputy Speaker. Okay, everybody is entitled to receive 10 million, including the Kina for Kina and infrastructure grants. And as my record shows, that every East Civic provincial urban members and districts have received Kina for Kina. my record shows that every members of parliament. Let me finish. I was listening when you were asking the question.
Honorable Minister, we have a point of order. Let me allow him to raise his point of order.
Thank you, Deputy Speaker.
The honorable member for Amuri Draiki.
Now the minister is saying that he's already paid to ECB.
Honorable member, when you ask for a point of order, you have to wait for me to ask you to talk. Don't talk before the speaker.
Thank you,
Honorable member, go ahead.
Thank you, Deputy Speaker. Sa minister, I'm talking about sa mga province na district Kisimbinis. Enough tomorrow I'm currently preparing to talk sa Lamibla. Hamos sa province Kisimbinis, hamos sa district Kisimbinis, sa Romania I'm talking about. Ako rin nagapan for me asking question. Triple kan mo ni. Enough I'm giving more details so tomorrow la paper I'm going to look him.
Honorable,
that's my question.
Honorable member, I will rule your point of order out of order. It's like you are asking a supplementary question, so.
It's a point of order because I want
the
him.
minister have noted, so I'll let him to answer during his question time. Honorable Minister.
Thank you for that question as well. I've tried my best to give every member, kina for kina and retired, everyone. Those who are complaining here, those who stay in Mosby and not going into the electorates to spend those DSIPs and PSIPs. Because almost 4 billion, Honorable Governor, I was listening when you were asking me the question. Let me finish it first.
Honorable Minister, we have a point of order.
Ask him lo PSIP or DSIP. Me ask him you lo Capital Investment Program PIP Volume 3A, which is not PSIP, which is not DSIP. I am asking about Provincial Infrastructure Program, budget item 04860. Desala ino PSIP, desala ino DSIP. Desala and Provincial Infrastructure Program, and be different.
Honorable Governor, thank you. Point of order, blue and order. I think Minister now also start him back in Blongem. So if we go ahead, I think he will make mention. So I'll allow the Minister to go ahead and respond.
Thank you, Deputy Speaker. Thank you for the supplementary question again from the Governor. Some of the PIB projects are part under national planning.
This is Finance Department.
Go ahead, Minister.
Finance only manages the expenditure part of it. So I have no answer to answer that very beautiful question from the Governor. And I will get a comprehensive answer for him tomorrow. Thank you.
Thank you, Minister. Honorable members, our question time has lapsed. Leader of Government Business.
Mr. Acting Speaker, I ask leave of Parliament to move a motion without notice.
Is leave granted? Leave granted. Leader of Government Business.
Mr. Acting Speaker, I move that Mr. Freddie Kumai be discharged as Deputy Chairman of the Permanent Parliamentary Committee on Public Accounts and that he be appointed Chairman of the committee.
The question is that the motion be agreed to. Those in favor say aye. Aye. Those against say no. Ayes have it. Leader of Government Business.
Deputy Speaker, I move that Parliament adjourn to 10 a.m. tomorrow.
The question is that the motion be agreed to. Those in favor say aye. Aye. Those against say no. Ayes have it. Honorable members, I now adjourn Parliament to tomorrow 10 o'clock a.m.